Tu-142M aircraft is. Initially we brought it from Russia in 1988. After serving of 29 years in Indian Navy, and recent past in 2017 March and April is retired from, you can say that, decommissioned from Indian Navy, and we make this aircraft as a museum for people, public, and kept it.
It was a very nice experience. We got to know about the Air Force and all the technical things that we visited here. And it was my first time experience to visit an Air Force aircraft that is 142 MU. And we got to know many things about the Air Force and about the plane systems, how they work and how they fight in the wars, also how they destroy the submarines underneath, and all the things we got to know. It was a very nice experience.